Welcome to our tutorial on how to unhide chats on Messenger using your PC. Have you ever archived a chat and now want to bring it back to your active conversations? Follow these simple steps to unhide your chats effortlessly. First, go to messenger.com. Once you're on the website, navigate to the Home section and click on Messenger in the left menu. Next, in the top left corner, next to Chats, click on the three dots. From the options that appear, select Archive Chats. Now, it's time to find the chat you want to unhide. Scroll through the list of archived chats until you locate the specific conversation you wish to bring back. Once you've found the chat, click on the three dots next to it. From the menu that appears, select the option to unarchive the chat, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily unhide chats on Messenger using your PC. Keep your conversations organized and accessible by managing your archived chats effectively. Don't let important chats stay hidden. Follow these steps to unarchive them and keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.